Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 28 January 2023. Today's my favorite topic is methods in Java. So methods in Java is the main concepts of main parts of the Java. Java methods in OOPS carry out the limit set of responsibility and the duties. Method cannot have same name as the class constructor. Additionally, methods process the return type, or it is the commonly believed that the method consider the explicit conflict constructor in a Java compare not give any default methods, or the methods have not been constructor and the both their inheritance and the ability to override the character of non-static methods in a Java. So any object for the method that are not the static class reference for the methods that are the static in the Java. So next is the constructor. Constructor is the responsible for the initializing object, although they are not the produce and return type. Some people have believed that the names of the constructor that can be the same as the name of the class. So it is the possible of the overload constructor, but there way the bypass it addition is must the abstract or the actually constructor. There are the three different kind of the constructor used in the Java. So first is the non-argument constructor. It has the less bin that the constructor have an parameter. It called not have a parameters it at all. So next is the next is the default constructor. When the no one creates a constructor in Java, compiler provides the default constructor. Next is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor that are the Java that can be the one more argument are the refer by their normal names in the constructor. Java constructor has the constructor with the parameterized. So constructor are the responsible for the initializing object, although they do not produce any return types. Return types. Some people have believed that the names of the constructor same as that name of the class in the constructor. It is possible overload constructor. There are the way bypass the actually. It are the not abstract at the actual in the constructor, or there are the multiple types of three types of constructor: default, parameter, non-argument constructor. It's all about the methods and constructor in Java. So thank you.